Welcome back to Vancouver Carpenter. So today I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to coat a corner bead with a knife, because it can be a little bit challenging to coat a corner bead with a knife without having much knife skills. So I'm going to show you guys what I think is the simplest way to apply the mud and take it off so that you can get a decent result using a pen and knife on a corner bead. I'm going to make another video today showing it with a hawk and trowel, but we don't need to do that right now. Okay, so the easiest way to apply the mud with pen and knife for a corner bead is like this, the side swipe. So it's not necessarily the most efficient way to do it, but it is definitely going to be the easiest for a beginner. So I got a 12-inch knife. I don't even need a knife that big for my first coat. It's just what I had handy. I'm going about, I'd say right here, this is about like anywhere from 8 to 10 inches we're going over. Whoop. So I find it's important to make sure that you do go pretty close to your electrical boxes without getting yourself shocked. Ideally, you shouldn't have any plugs in there, but we do on this job. Okay. So make sure you don't have empty spots like this. It's all got to be full. All right, now let's start wiping this. Clean off that. Okay. I need a little more right here. Okay, first thing you need to do is feather your edge. So feathering your edge is done by bending the blade like this. So I'm pushing really hard on the blade, and what that's going to do is it's going to feather it real nice. See that? That edge is not going to require any sanding at all. Well, very little. I'm going to pull back on that one. This is a tricky one, guys. I chose one with a bunch of plugs. Okay, I'm going to feather my edge right here. The other side has no plugs on it, and we can go nice and fast. Feathering my edge right here. Okay, oh, I got an empty spot right there, but there's enough mud that I can fill it. Okay, so now I'm not using much pressure on the blade because this is our first coat and we want to leave this corner bead full. So I'm doing one right here. Oh, the corner bead was installed a little bit too tight. I'm just going to live with that. It is at least buried. Okay, we're going up right there. Don't worry about it. My son's over there spotting screws. Okay, I'm now gonna try and tweak this little bit right here by holding it super flat. Okay, I'm gonna live with that. Sometimes you gotta know when to fold them. On my first coat, I can sand this stuff out. Okay, I'm gonna pull that in a little bit gently without taking all the mud off. Feather this edge. One pass, and yeah, we got that lump there. Sometimes I find I actually like to get my 6-inch knife. If you look at your 6-inch knife, it should have a curve on it. I'm going to place it against the wall convex so that it's like that, so that I can kind of really gently pull this out. And remember, sometimes it's easier to sand than it is to try and make it perfect, because you can do a lot better on that second coat. So right here, I'm now just gonna leave that stuff, whatever. You gotta know when to fold them. Kind of an annoying corner. Okay, so now at this point, I can actually move with a little bit of efficiency. I picked the wrong one to show you guys, but at least I could show you some extra tips. So yeah, we're doing the side swipe method to apply the mud, because it is almost guaranteed going to be the easiest method for you. Again, feather that edge and pull down. Yeah, this corner bead was installed tight. Oh well, let's put a little more mud on it. There we go. I can live with that. We got one lift off there, got a little bit here. Now we got this side. Let's see if we can move with a little more speed. Okay, this time I'm gonna work my way. Nope. I'm working my way from the bottom up. It feels better. I like to pull down and lift off. It's easier. Okay. Oh, nice blob down there. A little bit not wide enough down there, so let's do that. Okay, remember, feather your edge. And one pass. Trying not to push so hard, yeah. So this side was put on too tight, and this side has room to fill, which is what I like. Okay. All right, just for fun, let's try pulling down the mud the way I normally would on a corner bead. Although I don't usually use a knife this big. So a lot of the time I'll go like this and then bring the mud down. Yeah, watch my next video where I show with a hawk and a trowel. Show my preferred method. Get right up into the corner. Sometimes you want to bring a little bit of that extra mud and go right up into the corner if you didn't get enough there. Okay, there we go. Should have started with that side instead of the more complicated side. Hopefully I didn't lose you. Clean off your edge. Clean off your edge. But this is ideally what it should look like. Nice and smooth. One lift off, nice and smooth. So that is the easiest way to put mud on by hand with a knife and a pan. I hope you got something out of that video. Hopefully your project's going well and your drywall's looking a whole lot better than it did before you found the videos. That's the best I can ask for. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. Till the next one.